In this video, I'll show you how to share videos with good audio in Google Meet. The best way to do this is to present a browser tab instead of your whole screen. Google's official Meet help says that if you want to share audio from your presentation, you should present a tab and make sure also Share tab. Audio is turned on. Google also says that if you present a Chrome tab, that tab's audio is shared by default, which makes it the most reliable option for videos with sound. First, open the video you want to share in Google Chrome before the meeting starts. This could be a YouTube video, a training video, or even a local video file opened in a Chrome tab. Then join your Google Meet call. Once you're inside the meeting, click Present Now at the bottom. After that, choose A tab. Google says this option is ideal when you want to present media and include audio clearly. Now select the tab that contains your video. Before you click Share, look for the option called Also Share tab, Audio, and make sure it is enabled. This step is the key to getting good sound into the meeting. If that option is off, people may see the video but not hear it properly. Once the tab is shared, start playing the video, because you are sharing the tab itself instead of your full desktop. Meet can send the audio more directly and cleanly. That usually gives better results than pointing your microphone at your speakers or sharing the entire screen without the correct audio option turned on. This is why tab sharing is usually the best choice for videos, trailers, lessons, demos, or presentations with built-in sound. If you need to share a full app window or your whole screen instead, Google now says Meet can also share audio for a window or your entire screen if you enable. Also, share system audio. Google announced this update in late 2025, with rollout beginning for Google Workspace users and requiring supported systems and recent Chrome versions. That means this option may not appear for everyone right away, so the safest universal method is still sharing a tab. Here are a few quick tips for better results. Pause the video at the exact starting point before you share it. Close extra tabs and apps so playback stays smooth. Keep your own microphone muted while the video is playing if you do not need to talk over it. And if the sound seems wrong, stop presenting and reshare the correct tab with tab audio enabled. Google also says you can switch to another tab during the meeting by using Share This tab instead. So the basic steps are simple. Open the video in Chrome, join Google Meet, click Present Now, choose A tab, make sure. Also Share tab audio is on, and then play the video. That's how to share videos with good audio in Google Meet. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.